Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reading about computer virus. Chapter 7, Class 5 in Computer Science. First of all, I will solve question answer in book. Let's start. A. Tick the correct option. First, which of the following is not a type of computer virus? Answer is email virus. Second, a program file virus is also known as answer file injector. Third, Norton is an answer is antivirus. 4. Which of the following is a type of malware? Trojan horse. Answer Trojan horse. B. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. First, malicious software is known as malware. Second, a set of programs that identify and remove malware are known as antivirus software. Third, a firewall acts like a gatekeeper and prevent unauthorized access to a computer network. 4. The purpose of a Trojan is to conceal itself inside the software that seems legitimate. Okay, student? Rearrange the following letters to get the word. Second, fire, firewall, back door, firewall, back door. After that, I will solve question answer in notebook. Seven, computer virus. Answer the following question. First, what is Trojan? Answer, a Trojan horse is any malware that misleads users of its true intent by disguising itself as a standard program. Second, what is the use of antivirus program? Answer, the use of antivirus program a computer to detect the virus does not copy itself on your computer system. Third question, what is boot sector virus? Answer, boot sector virus is one of the most hostile type of computer viruses that infects that boot sector or the master boot record MBR of hard disk or floppy disks. Fourth question, what does MBR stand for? Answer, MBR stand for master boot record. 5. What is malware? How does it affect your computer? Mention some types of malware. Answer, a malware is a type of malicious program designed to damage or carry out other unwanted action on a computer system. There are different types of malware programs that can affect computer. They are: first, worms; second, Trojan horse; third, spyware; four, ran, ran, ransomware; 5, rootkit; 6, backdoor. 6. Differentiate between virus and worm. Answer, virus. First, virus cannot self-replicate. One can make copies of themselves. Second, viruses cannot execute themselves. They require attachment to another file that is then launched. One can execute themselves and require no human or system control to begin working. Application based question. Misha's system is displaying unusual message on the screen and shutting down very slow. Her system is infected with a virus. Which software will help her in solving her problem? Answer. If your computer is infected with a virus, you can try using antivirus software to detect and remove it. First, install antivirus software. Second, update antivirus software. Third, install antivirus software. Second, update your antivirus software. Third, scan your system. 4. Quarantine and delete the virus. If your computer still isn't working properly, you can also try this step. Force a shutdown by holding down the power button for a few seconds. Second, check for system update drivers. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.